It's loquat season and we headed out to pick some fresh loquats. We found a couple of trees loaded with loquats. The fruit was perfectly ripe, soft, golden, and so juicy. To be honest with you, loquat picking is almost as satisfying as eating them. Sweet and slightly sour flavor is especially appetizing. That is loquat. Today I'm going to share fresh loquat juice and loquat chicken stir fry, two different recipes. Let's get started. To prevent loquats oxidize, I prepared some lemon juice, but it did not help much. So try lemon juice still browned. Besides the skin, we also have to remove all the seeds because they are not edible. And once the loquats are peeled and deceased, you want to use them right away, otherwise they'll start to oxidize and turn brown. So the best way is prepare loquats in the end. This fresh loquat juice gets that perfect balance of sweet and slightly tart. It really wakes up your taste buds. When you add the chicken to the pan, don't move the chicken right away. Let's sit for a bit so it can sear and hold the shape.